fattest fucking cucumber right in my fucking asshole right now.
What a piss!
Fuck! Fuck me,
Oh
fuck
my
me,
God,
fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
And I hate you, but I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, I have these lucid dreams where can't take back the love
that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you.
And I cannot change
Yeah.
you, so I must
Replace you.
Oh.
So basically it makes your butt look like prominent because it has like the line. Do you see it? It's like dark. And like there's like Gymshark is so fucking smart with all those things they do. Like so for example like they basically like put like a line here so it kind of like follows your body shape and then like body there and body here. Sorry, line here and that line there. Because they're so smart.
팔로우 한 번씩 부탁할게요. 밤새신 거냐고요? 허벅지? 아 이거 내려라 이제.
How I should open that? 1 second. Like that. Yes, I know now. Oh yes, it's coming.
Naughty hey guys, future man national like woo dude.
Oh my god, it burns so much. It went in my eyes. Ow. It really burns. It burned my eye. Oh, ow. Oh my god, ow. Oh. Hi, Haley. I don't have socks on. This is gonna be hard. You asked for that. That's what you asked for. That is what you asked for. Next Monday?
Se los juro. Oh, Dios santo, me quiero morir. Voy por una pastilla. Voy por una pastilla porque si no me va a ñonga la partida. ¿Saben qué? Me siento tan mal, me siento tan terrible que voy por una pastilla justo ahora.
Oh my god, I don't know if I have actual thingies. Hold on. There you go. I hope it's not bothering you anymore. I set up all my PCs at one of the first things I do after my bed. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that.
Actually, I cure depression, Danix. What the fuck do you do? Wank off to your mom? Oh! Someone clip that! Clip that! Clip it! Right now! That was probably the best comeback I've had all day.
Like this. This is how I do my hair 90% of the time.
Can I get a horse mask spam, by the way? 2 subs already. Double subs all the way across my stream. Yeah. What a dream. God damn. God damn. God damn. Thank you so much. Back to our remix here.
The cops, they stole Helena's ass, also show me those toes.
Sully, this is for you, girl. I inspire you. Who has no ass? Who has no ass? Just because I don't show it ain't mean I don't got it, honey. Am I banned? No, okay.
And now look at me, I'm a partner streamer on Twitch, and this is my full-time job now. I used to be a scientist. Yeah. I was an infectious disease epidemiologist, focusing on the incidence and risk factors of gastrointestinal infections among the hematopoietic cell transplant recipient population. Intentional twerk banned. What? Shit. And now look at me, I'm a
Yeah, we're gonna do CSGO with subs today.
If you were 20 years younger, I'd totally bang you. So 4 years old. That's fucking weird. That's that, my friend.
Say what?
Woo! Fucking awkward.